three,
4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 10. Oh!
9.
Hurt, Mommy. Hand hurts.
Oh, hurt. Careful. 9,
9,
10. Oh, French now. Un, 2,
2,
3.
Ow! Hurt, Mommy.
Careful. 3,
3,
4, 5, 6. Anak-anak, don't erase it with your hair. Sis, after sis. Set. With. Nerve. This. Oh, Tagalog naman, Tagalog. Isa. Isa. Or later. Finish the Tagalog counting first. Isa. Dalawa. Tatlo. Apat. Lima. Anim. Pito. Walo. Siyam. 10. Bravo!
Book.
Oh, you want to read book now?
I want my
It's 2 books?
Yeah.
Okay. You will read it to mommy?
Mommy.
Hmm?
Mommy.
Mommy will read it?
Mommy. It's Mommy Adams.
Is it Arlo's?
Yeah. Who that? My that. Ooh. Boy. And sheep.
There's sheep there? What the sheep says?
Bah. Can you see the horse there?
Ah, the horse there. Okay.
Horse there. In there. Water.
There's water there. Okay. What else?
There.
What
There.
else you can see there?
Dog there.
Dog. Is it dog house?
Yeah. Cat food there. Cat food.
Cat food there or dog food?
Dog food.
Dog food.
Dog food there. In house there. Yeah. My dad.
It's a donkey.
House there. Yeah.
Is the horse house there? Is the horse sleeps there?
Yeah. My dad. But sleep here.
The sheep sleep there?
Yeah. Who's that, Mommy?
Who's that?
Oh. Horse there. Pig.
What's this one?
Huh?
What's this?
Cow.
Cow. What's the cow says?
Mm.
Very good. Where's the chicken? Find the chicken. Where are you, chicken? You found it?
Yeah.
Where? Shh. Where?
There.
Very good. Found you, chicken. Done? Bedtime?
More. Here cow. Yes. Oh, a cow. Oh, it's that. What's in there?
Mm.
And then he has to be there.
Mm-hmm.
Sleep there.
Mm.
No.
Okay.
No?
They don't sleep there?
No.
No, where they sleep?
House.
House. Sure.
What's that, Mommy? What's that?
The farmer.
What is that? It.
Oh, he's eating something.
Yeah.
What is eating? Grass?
Yes.
It's farmer, friend of the cow.
Huh?
Is the farmer friend of the cow?
Yeah.
Yeah. What the cow eats then?
Moo.
No, what the cow eats?
Moo.
What's the food of the cow?
Moo.
Moo, not moo.
Moo there. Cow there.
Yeah, the cow says moo, but what the cow eats?
Moo there.
Is Arlo eats pasta?
Yeah.
Is the cow eats pasta too?
Yeah.
Yes, sure.
Yeah.
Not grass?
Yes.
Grass.
I need book too.
Mommy read book too. You're gonna read that too?
Yeah.
Taco.
What chicken?
Chicken there.
Yeah. Yeah. Spider.
Spider?
Ew.
You spider?
Yeah.
You have friend spider with grandma. What's the name of the spider with grandma?
I am.
The name of the spider with grandma.
Huh?
What's the name?
Grandma.
Grandma? No, George.
George. Up there.
Yeah, up the ceiling.
Yeah.
Is it big one?
And it's a more shot on the spider. Spider gone. Oh, my spider.
Where? Spider there too?
Yeah.
Lots of spider there.
I hold this.
No, mommy will hold. Finish?
Gone. My spider, my spider there.
You like spider?
Yeah.
Mommy doesn't like spider.
Oh yes. I like spiders. Oh, my sleeping there. Here.
Who's sleeping there?
The horse.
The horse sleeping there.
It may eat. Oh. Oh yes. From there. Sheep. A sheep.
Where's the sheep? There the sheep.
Chicken. Gone.
Chicken? Where's the chicken? There. Very good. That's everybody's noise.
Huh?
It's everybody's noise.
That.
Yeah. What's that? What's that? What's that?
Dog.
Dog?
My horse there.
Mm.
Dog there.
Where's the donkey?
Huh?
The donkey where?
There. There.
Where? What the donkey says?
My gone.
Where? Find the donkey.
There?
There, find it.
Huh?
Find it.
There. Find. Wait, find it.
Oh, you found it.
Ew. My ew. Oh no. I like spiders.
You like spiders?
I like spiders.
Mommy don't like spider.
Oh yes.
Mommy's scared of spider.
Yeah. I like better. Why better there?
Hmm. Is it bedtime now?
No.
No. What time the bedtime then?
Oh, what is that? We find again. E-O. E-O. Mommy. No. Mommy.
Enough. Bedtime.
No.
Say night night.
Huh?
Night night.
Yeah.
Say night night.